Hi, this is Zak Mir from Master Investor with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Monday, the 16th of February. Starting off with Greka drilling, where it looks as though we're seeing a bottoming out process here at and just below the 8 pence level. There may be a rising trend channel from April heading up to 17 pence, which would be the 1 to 2 month target here. The main issue now really is what sort of buy trigger one would need to see in order to go long in a sort of wholehearted way. Probably the best thing at this stage would be an end of day close back above recent resistance at 10 pence, or maybe perhaps the 50-day moving average just above that 10.35 pence. The way that the 50-day line is currently falling, one would expect that to hit the 10 pence level anyway over the next week or so. So basically 10 pence plus should lead back up to a retest of November resistance and up to 17 pence over the near term. Next up is Oxus Gold, which has been quite a sharp recovery situation over the recent past. Great start to 2015. Obviously the market anticipating an improvement in the underlying commodity. But the excitement here at the moment is the way that we've got this bull flag resting above the 10-day moving average at 3.67 pence, and also the initial resistance for 2015 just below 3.5 pence. So a 10-day line currently the end of day close stop loss on the bull argument, and one would be looking for a top of December price channel target as high as 5.5 pence, even though we've already seen decent gains. The time frame on such a move would be the next 2 to 4 weeks. Next up is a stock which I haven't looked at very much here in the recent past, and that's Richland Resources. But it is of interest in the sense that it looks to be a basing out here with the previous 2014 support below 1.5 pence, and that being matched up by the slightly higher low to start February, just around that level as well. There may be a rising trend channel here from this time last year, with its resistance line projection suggesting a 5 pence target on a 2 to 3 months time frame. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for a weekly close back above the 200-day moving average at 2.39 pence. But it does look as though we've got a decent buy trigger given the weekly close above the 50-day moving average and the rebound off last year's price channel floor as well. Finishing off with SolGold, which seems to be quite a private investor favorite at the moment. A sharp rise at the end of the week last week takes us to a weekly close above the 50-day moving average, just around the 2.99 pence level. That's also recovered the old December support zone as well, towards 2.75 pence. And really, while we're above that December low, we are looking at SolGold as being a recovery situation. The initial target probably back towards a January resistance around 3.7 pence over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Best case scenario over the next couple of months is probably the top of this late October rising trend channel at 5 pence. At this stage, anybody back below the 20-day moving average, 2.4 pence would be outright negative and suggest that we've just been looking at another full storm recovery for the shares. That's it from me. More updates at masterinvestor.co.uk.